report about a potential replacement for Coach Abdulkarim Zito no eguso ekoswa considerations no and Monday a enumerate information I say can say there are a number of local coaches and pennyfour or more the other side. Mamen kana minchirim and pennyfour more the other side. Make the other side the other side for Nijidi say Coach Karim Zito oyapem inti onko na omonko pe stop gap coach na omonfanembra and at the other side no so chese no Coach Karim Zito oba in 1 year kra inti sa argument no it doesn't really wash na other side nkomo no consider 3 coaches in the market mamenka say 2 because Coach Maswa Kunadu there currently as we speak Ono ene the head coach of the under-20 Black Satellite recently October yani appointed no after say oko FC Leopards ewo South Africa no kojiguye no ofrinsu atre na okoye ekojiguye na obaya na Kotoko kraku ede under-20 no ema no now coach ono no mpanyifo enkomo ne dia bam coach a wo share Kotoko na anu ya in the first round but Kotoko nso share no yemecho what I say Meka Basake Holy Stars coach former Kumasi Asante Kotoko coach assistant coach Johnson Smith Sir Johnson Smith eba Kotoko it is going to be the 4th time waba as a coach obeka 2008 Johnson Smith obai as an assistant coach 2010 obai as assistant coach and na 2019 obai as assistant coach to Maswa Kunadu yes under Dr. Che Mikaipa and also any day about Johnson Smith. Now apart from Johnson Smith, no a D bakwa or no day a man for Lenkepa no Openia ye freno Ignatius Ofosu no ebe IMC member Kosiapia inti a man for who they say and I'm say obey Kosiapia into ono so mo de ne lenke say one ha Coach Karim Zito ekwa animanimu ya no ono ene ye be fa ne se ombeye stop gap e ka se stop gap interim enti se say no interim no reporter yen say kanu Ofosu Ignatius ene coach ye frɛ no Johnson Smith nka oba ebe ye the 4th time because oba 208 over 2010 and also about 2019 into 2026 sa oba enyanwanwa but enkomodie na kire say argument na amanfo make say Coach Karim Zito entena no emu ye din into one ha Coach Karim Zito obetena abo season na wi but say koba so obekon so a edin a apia bonten eno no